E. Before starting this exercise, I want to tell you the basic concept of this exercise. First, I tell you this is a circle, and we know that every circle there is a radius. And one more thing, if the line is from the from the arc of the circle to the arc of circle, but the line is passing through the center, then it is a diameter of a circle. Diameter of a circle, and this is radius. And we know that radius, if diameter is equal to 2r, or if you want to find the radius, then it is d by 2. Clear? So, and the second thing is, what is the circumference? Circumference is now the next. वेरी नाइस सर्कमफेरेंस तुमने लग रहा है पढ़ा है या वीडियो देखा है सर्कमफेरेंस एग्जैक्टली circumference is the basically in other figures मतलब other figures means other than circle we can say the perimeter, but in circle we can use the circumference because this is a circular region, so we can use circum. And the total circumference is the same also, total length of the circle, total total length of a circle is the circumference of circle. Very nice. So the formula to find the circumference is circum very circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r or pi d, because we know that 2r is equal to d, so we can use either. If the diameter is given, then you can use the direct formula, that is pi d, and if the radius is given, then you can use 2 pi r. It is clear now. Now let us start exercise 20e. Everyone take out the classwork copy. Everyone take out classwork copy and start writing as classwork. This is the classwork, and today is 19, 10, 20. So let us start the exercise 20e. Now the Ahana, can you read the question number 1 for me? And the value for pi is equal to 22 upon 7 or 3.14. Whose radius is 28. 28. So the question number 1 is find 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 circumference. And the radius is equal to 28 centimeter. So the formula for circumference is, everyone write in their copy. Circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. So it's 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by 28. 7 fours are 28. So 44 times 4. So it will be 176 centimeter. And the unit for circumference is only centimeter or meter or anything, not square, because square is a unit for area. Now this is clear. Question number one. Others are not there. Question number one. Question number one. Find the circumference. If the radius is 28, so we can use the formula circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. Then you can find out the value of this. Now, simultaneously, you can write this also. Question number 1, part 2 is the homework. यस, क्वेश्चन नंबर वन पार्ट टू इज द होमवर्क, पार्ट टू ये मैंने कर दिया, यू कैन कॉपी इन क्लास वर्क। नाउ इट इज कॉपीड। कॉपीड। Circumference of circle is equal, yes, good, very nice. So अच्छा ठीक है, ये तो लिखा हुआ है, लिख लो, circumference of circle is equal to, and write down the homework also in the classwork में, you have to mention what is the homework, you can mention in the classwork copy also, कि now the homework is question number one part two, after the question number one part one you can write homework is the homework dash question number one part two, then start question number two, right? During the class you can during the class you don't write the question, but in homework you have to write the question. Now the question number two, anyone other than Ahana read the question number two, other than Ahana, other than Ahana कोई और नहीं है? So very nice. So good. In the question number two we have to find the circumference again if the diameter is given, and the diameter is equal to 35 centimeter, not 35. Now I can use 4.9. Second part. So the circumference of circle is equal to pi d. When the diameter is given, then we can use pi d. So this is equal to 22 upon 7 multiplied by 35. It's 7 fives are 35. So it will be 5 to the 10, 110 centi, 110. Oh no, sorry. 4.9, yes, 4.9. When we cancel this, it will become 0.7. Now you can multiply 22 times 7 first, 14, 1 carry 154, and put the decimal over here. So it will be 15.4 meter. Clear? When the question number second is complete, then you can write question number two, part one is your homework. And then question number three is, I can write here what is the homework for the today 19, 10, 20. Now copied. Okay, now now anyone read the question, only one. No, not see here, see here, question number three is your homework, you can read the question number four. Now in question number four we have to find the diameter. Diameter is equal to question mark. Okay, so in this we can use the both formula 2 pi or pi d, but it's up to you. Suppose and we have to circumference is given. Circumference is 50, circumference is 57.2 centimeter. So for the for circumference it's 2 pi r or pi d. Any formula you can use to solve this. And question, acha, okay, we have to find the radius now, then we can use radius. So you can use the both formula. It's not necessary कि diameter आ जाएगा तो हमारा radius नहीं आ सकता. So you can use the both formula. But if the radius, we have to find the radius, we can use this 2 pi r. Okay. And now what is the given here? Only the circumference and some values also for like values for pi is also given. So you can write circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. Then below circumference of circle you can write 52.7 is equal to 2 multiplied by 27 upon 22 upon 7 multiplied by r. Now transfer the number according to their position. 22 is equal to r. So you can, if you want to remove this decimal, you can remove. Okay. Now you check this number is divisible by 11. This is 11 fives are, and then 11 twos are, and this is 11 twos are. So you can cancel 2 twos are 4 and 26, then 1 and 3. Now uh, it will become what? 13 times 7 upon 10. So the radius is equal to 13 times 7 upon 10. So Anna, can you tell me what is 13 sevens? Anyone? Good. So it will be 91 upon 10, which is equal to 9.1 9.1. And you check the unit, what is there? Centimeter. So the radius is equal to 9.1 centimeter. I repeat the question number 4. We have to find the radius and the circumference is given. So we can use both the formula, pi d or 2 pi r. We can use both the formula pi d or 2 pi r. But now we use 2 pi r only because we are using only one formula at a time. So the circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Circumference is 57.2, that is given. This is given, sorry. So we can write 57.2 below the circumference and 2 multiplied by, we know the value for pi is 22 upon 7. This is given, or every time you can use this. If sometime in some question you can use the value of pi which is equal to 3.14, but that is given in the question. Otherwise you can use only 22 upon 7. That it will be easy for calculation. So 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 into r, we can transfer according to their position, then we can cancel it and we get the radius 9.1 centimeter. यू कैन चेक, एवरीवन चेक होमवर्क हियर, क्योंकि मैंने यहाँ पर होमवर्क लिख दिया है, और इफ देयर इज एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क. नाउ संभव कैन यू रीड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 6? कॉपीड? क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज कॉपीड? क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 गुड. नो सर. ओके. कैलकुलेशन तो अपने आप कर लो. Now Sambhav, can you read? Completed. Good. Now Sambhav, read the question number 6, please. अब क्या करो, तो मिटा दिया. You can calculate your own, please. Or if there is a problem, you can ask. Okay. Sambhav, read the question number 6. Question number 5 is your homework. Sambhav. Okay, I read the question. The circumference of a circle exceeds its diameter by 30 centimeter. Find the radius of circle. Okay. In this, the circumference of a circle exceeds its diameter by 30. And we have to find the radius. हमें यहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं पता है. यहाँ पे हमें सिर्फ एक ही चीज पता है. Circumference minus diameter is equal to 30. Yes. This is the given only. This is the given portion only. Circumference minus diameter is equal to 30. So let the radius. What is the common term in the circumference and diameter? What is the common? What is the common term? Common term is the radius. Everyone write like this only. The common term between circumference and diameter is the radius. So let the radius be r centimeter, x centimeter, anything you can write. X centimeter, suppose. Then circumference of circle, circumference of circle, circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r, which means 2 pi x, and the diameter is equal to, we know that diameter is equal to 2r, so it's 2x. Now this is given here, circumference minus diameter is equal to 30 centimeter. So therefore 2 pi x minus 2x is equal to 30. Now अब हमें इसे सॉल्व करना है. कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? लेट अस सी केयरफुली. We can take out the common. You see, 2x and 2x is common in both. 2x and 2x is common in both. So 2x is common. So pi minus 1 is equal to 30. Clear? Now, यहाँ पर so 2x bracket, we know that the value for pi is 22 upon 7 minus 1, which is equal to 30. So 27 minus 1, sorry, 22 upon 7 minus 1. So it's 20, it will be 20, 22 minus 7 upon 7, which is equal to 30. Now 2x multiplied by 22 minus 7 is 15. 15 upon 7, which is equal to 30. So it will be 30 upon 7x is equal to 30. And now x is equal to 30 multiplied by 7 upon 30. 30 is cancelled, x is equal to 7. Therefore, radius is equal to 7 centimeter. Is that clear? Why not? Question is, the circumference of a circle exceeds its diameter by 30. Means circumference जो है वो diameter से 30 ज़्यादा है. It means that कि there is a difference between circumference and diameter is 30. फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, क्वेश्चन हमें बता रहा है कि the circumference of a circle exceeds मतलब ज़्यादा, more, its diameter by 30 centimeter. Means the circumference is more than the diameter by 30 centimeter. So the difference of the circumference and diameter is equal to 30. We know that कि the common term between circumference and diameter is the radius. So we can let the unknown value, this is, let the radius be x centimeter. Radius is the unknown and we have to find the radius only. Now circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. We can replace the r by x, so it will be 2 pi x. Clear? Now the diameter is equal to 2r. We can replace again because we let the radius be x. So it will be 2x. Now therefore we know that the circumference and diameter, the difference of circumference and diameter is 30 centimeter. So we set a equation 2 pi x minus 2x is equal to 30. Is that clear? Anna? Good. Now you can see in this. अब इसको सॉल्व करना. नाउ द वी हैव टू मेक अ सॉल्यूशन. यहां पर हम इसको सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते, but we can see 2x is in the circumference also and the diameter also. So we can take out the common. 2x. इफ वी टेक आउट द कॉमन 2x, तो इस जगह पे सिर्फ पाई बचेगा, वो हमने लिख दिया. 2x इज ऑलरेडी कॉमन, सो इसकी जगह पे 1 बचेगा. सो इट विल बी 2x ब्रैकेट पाई माइनस 1. अगर अब तुम्हें कोई कंफ्यूजन होता है तो यू जस्ट चेक बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग इट अगेन. 2x मल्टीप्लाइड बाय पाई, इट्स 2 पाई x. 2x मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1 इज 2x. तो उसे देख सकते हैं चेक करके. नाउ 30, वी नो दैट द वैल्यू ऑफ पाई इज 22 अपॉन 7. Okay, so 2x bracket 22 upon 7 minus 1, which is equal to 30. And we can solve this by LCM only. So we know that कि ये 7 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये कॉमन एलसीएम हो जाएगा. So 2x bracket 22 minus 7 upon 7 is equal to 30. Now 22 minus 7 is 15. 2x multiplied by 15 upon 7 is equal to 30. So 15 2s are 30. 30 upon 7 is equal to x. And if we transfer 30 upon 7 to the other side, it is x is equal to 30 multiplied by 7 upon 30. Now 30 30 cancel, x is equal to 7, therefore the radius is equal to 7. Now clear? This is basically the calculation part. You Very nice. You can understand here only कि the circumference of a circle exceeds its diameter by 30, means that the difference between the circumference and diameter is 30. So we can use this equation to calculate the radius. Clear? Now copied. Can I rub? Good. Now the question number 7. Question number 7. Now I am reading the question number 7. Everyone check in the book. The ratio of the radii. Okay. The plural of radius is radii. Plural of radius is radii. Clear? The ratio of the radii of two circle is 5 is to 3. Find the ratio of their circumference. Okay, good. Hmm. Now the question number 7. I repeat the question once again. The ratio of the radii of two circle is 5 is to 3. Find the ratio of their circumference. So first we start with let the radii of two circle be, one is the capital R and second is the small r. Okay, clear? And the circumference C1 and C2. Clear? Now, what is given? R is to R is equal to 5 is to 3 is given. Means R upon R is equal to 5 upon 3 is given here. Now we have to find the circumference C1 upon C2. Clear? Is equal to 2 pi R, capital R, and 2 pi R. Now 2 pi and 2 pi is cancelled. The circumference is equal to 5 upon 3. So C1 is to C2 is equal to 5 is to 3. The the ratio of their circumference is 5:3. Clear? Any doubt? Let the radii of two circle be capital R and small r, then the circumference be C1 and C2. Capital R is to R is given 5:3, so the capital R upon R is equal to 5.3. तो circumference का वैल्यू डाले उसमें अंदर फॉर्मूला डालेंगे और we can use क्योंकि 2 pi and 2 pi is cancel, capital R upon R is equal to 5.3. So C1 upon C2 is equal to 5.3. So the ratio of their circumference is 5.3 also. Clear? Copied? Good. Now the question number 8 is your homework. Can you please tell me how much time is left there? 10 minutes. Okay. Wait, I will see. Okay, 10 minutes is there, so we can continue. We can do now. This is copied, na? And question number 8 is your homework. And now start question number 9. Anyone read the question number 9? Find the width of the track. See, a racing track in the form of ring. तो ठीक है, एक रिंग हो गया. Whose inner circumference is 520. अंदर का जो circumference है that is 528 meter and the outer circumference. और ये जो बाहर का रिंग है ये कुछ इस तरह का है. ठीक है. एंड वी नो दैट अंदर वाले आर के लिए हम ये लिखते हैं, बाहर वाले आर के लिए हम कैपिटल आर लिखते हैं. ओके. एंड वी नो दैट द सर्कमफेरेंस इज गिवन फॉर बोथ द सर्कल. सो circumference, question number 9, and we have to find the width of the, this is the width. So see, if we find out the radius of the circle and then subtract it, we will get the width of the track. So first we find the circumference. So first we find the radius. So the circumference of inner circle is equal to 528, and we know that the formula 2 pi, it's 2 pi r is equal to 528. So it's 2 times 22 upon 7 into r, which is equal to 528. So r is equal to 528 multiplied by 7 upon 2 times 22. Now if you cut with 2, suppose you can cut with 2, 2 to the 4, and this is 2 to the 4, then 6, then 4. It's 1. Now it's cut with 11. It's 2. It's 2 and 4, 24, and this is cancel here, so it will be 1 and 2. So 12 sevens are what? What is the 12 sevens are? 12 sevens are. Now the circumference of outer. Circumference of, so now this is the inner. So the small r is equal to 84. Circumference of outer, which is equal to 616. So it's 2 pi r is equal to 616. Now you can use capital R here. You can use capital R here. Now it's 2 times 22 upon 7 into capital R is equal to 616. Now the capital R is equal to 616 multiplied by 7 upon 2 into 22. Now cancel this 308. Now it will be cancelled with 11. 11 twos and 11 twos and 88, 28. Now it will become 14. 14 sevens are 98. 98 centimeter. Sorry, 98 meter. And now the width of the track, racing track, width of the racing track is equal to 98 minus 84, which is equal to 14 meter. Now it is clear. Now it is clear. Okay, good, good. Now there is two circumference. From the two circumference, you have to find the radius, and then width of the racing track is equal to 98 minus. We can reduce this two circles, small and capital R. So 98 minus 84 is equal to 14 meters. This is the width of the racing track. Now the last question, number 10. Today's homework. Can you please check this? Question number 1, part 2, question number 3, question number 2, part 1, question number 3, 5, 8 and 10. And you can, I want you can finish your homework by same day. So you can write down the date 19, 10, 20 homework and then finish this question by today only. Now, this is clear. Question number 9 is clear. Good, good, very nice. So now is there any doubt in any question? किसी का कोई question incomplete रह गया हो? या is there any doubt till question number 1 to 10? You can ask. अभी पूछ सकते हो, कोई issue नहीं है, बाद में भी पूछ सकते हो. I think the questions are clear. Yes? Good. So, so from tomorrow we can start with question number 11. Now I close your class. You can go join your next class. What is the time now? Wait a moment. Oh, time is not there. So, not 12. 12:07. No, 3 minutes is left. So you can and you can find if you are while doing your homework, you can find any doubt, any difficulty. You can ask tomorrow in class. Clear, everyone? I want ki everyone must clear with their exercise or every question. Not a single. एक भी question बचना नहीं चाहिए जो किसी को नहीं आता हो. So you can ask again and again, no problem. I'm ready to tell you again and again. So please, question को करना है. Okay, bye bye. Take care. You can go join your next class. Bye bye.